Let's talk about the onion, the quiet star of your meals. It's in your salads, on your burgers, and sizzling in your pan. This humble vegetable is a cornerstone of American cooking, yet its story is rarely told. Every year, American farmers grow over 4.5 million tons of onions. That's a massive industry, built on the dedication of thousands of farmers. Their job is anything but simple. The journey of an onion starts in a field with a farmer facing tough choices: what variety to plant, when, and how to care for it. Weather, pests, and machinery breakdowns can threaten the entire crop. Yet these farmers persist, blending old-fashioned grit with modern science. Think about the last time you sliced an onion. Those tears are nothing compared to the effort behind each bulb. This is a story of soil, sun, and relentless work. Farmers operate heavy machinery, walk the fields, and become experts in everything from mechanics to meteorology. Their skill and perseverance keep our food supply steady. We're pulling back the curtain to show how onions go from dirt to your kitchen. From land prep to high-tech tractors, from harvest to sorting, it's a complex dance of manpower and machine. This happens every year, across states like Idaho, Oregon, Washington, and California. The real story of American onion farming is one of resilience and innovation. So next time you enjoy that burst of flavor, remember the journey behind it. Let's follow the onion from field to table. This is the story of the unsung hero of your hamburger. Before planting, the real work begins with the soil. Farmers can't just toss seeds and hope. They must prepare the land with precision. First, they clear leftover plants and bring in heavy equipment. Tractors pull giant plows, turning and loosening the earth. Then, discs and harrows break the soil into a fine, smooth seedbed. This careful prep ensures seeds are planted at the right depth for even growth. Farmers take soil samples, sending them to labs for nutrient analysis. Based on results, they add fertilizers, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, to give onions the best start. It's a blend of tradition and science. Next, a bed shaper carves the soil into raised rows for drainage and warmth. GPS-guided tractors make these rows perfectly straight, maximizing efficiency. When you see a field of neat, identical rows, you're looking at hours of meticulous work. The land is now ready, waiting for seeds that promise a bountiful harvest. Every step is about setting the stage for success. The foundation of a great onion crop is built long before a single seed is planted. It's a process that demands patience, knowledge, and attention to detail. The field is prepped, the soil is balanced, and the beds are shaped. Now the real growing can begin. This is where the journey truly starts. The groundwork is laid for everything that follows. The promise of the harvest is in the soil. With the field ready, it's time to plant. Most onions start as tiny black seeds, planted by precision machines. These planters place each seed at the perfect depth and spacing for optimal growth. Some farmers use onion sets, small bulbs from the previous year, for a head start, especially in short growing seasons. Others use greenhouse-grown transplants, moving sturdy seedlings into the field. Each method is a strategic choice, balancing speed, climate, and yield. Modern tractors, guided by GPS, ensure rows are straight and space is used efficiently. The planter releases the exact number of seeds per foot, maximizing every inch. Technology and tradition work hand in hand. Planting thousands of acres is now a feat of engineering, not just muscle. Whether by seed, set, or transplant, the goal is the same: healthy onions planted with care. This is the start of the season's gamble. Every seed is a bet on the future. The field is full of hope and potential. The next chapter, nurturing those tiny plants into a thriving crop. The journey from seed to harvest is underway. The countdown to harvest begins the moment the first seed hits the soil. Planting is just the beginning. The real challenge is keeping onions alive and thriving. Onions need steady water, but their shallow roots make them vulnerable to drought. Farms use advanced irrigation center pivot systems for huge fields, drip lines for efficiency. But water also fuels weeds, the farmer's constant enemy. Herbicides, mechanical cultivation, and even hand weeding keep fields clear. Pests and diseases are another threat. Tiny insects and fungi can devastate a crop. Farmers walk fields daily, but now drones and sensors help spot trouble early. Drones scan for stressed plants, letting farmers target treatments and save resources. GPS and soil sensors guide precise watering and fertilizing. Weather forecasts help farmers prepare for storms or heat waves. It's a high-stakes, round-the-clock job. Every decision can mean the difference between a bumper crop and a total loss. Technology amplifies a farmer's instincts, making every acre count. The growing season is a test of vigilance and adaptability. Every day brings new challenges. The goal: bring a healthy, mature crop to harvest. The stakes are high, but so is the reward. The field is a living, changing puzzle. Only the most attentive farmers succeed. After months of care, it's harvest time, the farmer's moment of truth. Onions signal readiness when their green tops yellow and fall. Timing is critical. Too early, they're small. Too late, they spoil. Farmers cut water to help onions form a dry, protective skin. Machines called lifters gently unearth the bulbs, laying them in rows to dry. Curing in the sun toughens the skin and seals the neck, vital for storage. Weather is a constant worry. Rain can ruin curing in days. Once cured, mechanical harvesters scoop up the onions, cleaning off dirt and debris. The process is fast, careful, and coordinated. Onions are loaded into trucks, headed for storage or packing. Every step is about preserving quality and freshness. The harvest is a race against time and the elements. Only the best onions make it through. The field empties, but the work isn't done. The next stop, the packing shed. The journey from soil to storage is a feat of precision and teamwork. Fresh from the field, onions head to the packing shed for a final transformation. First, they're unloaded and may undergo extra curing in climate-controlled rooms. Dry air fans remove any lingering moisture, ensuring long storage life. Onions travel down conveyor belts for cleaning. Rollers and brushes remove dirt and loose skin. Machines trim off dried tops and roots, giving onions their familiar look. Next, grading onions are sorted by size and quality, using both machines and sharp-eyed workers. Small, medium, jumbo, each is separated for the right market. Quality control experts pull out any bruised or misshapen bulbs. Even rejected onions find a use, heading to processing for powders or rings. The goal: consistency and quality in every bag. By the end, onions are clean, trimmed, and ready for packing. The process is fast, efficient, and thorough. Every onion is inspected before it leaves the line. Only the best reach the final stage. The packing shed is where fieldwork meets food safety. The journey is almost complete. Next stop, your grocery store. The last step is packing and shipping onions across the country and the world. Automated machines weigh and bag onions for stores and restaurants. Larger or delicate varieties are packed by hand in boxes for extra protection. Every bag or box is labeled for traceability, linking back to the farm. Pallets of onions are loaded into refrigerated trucks, reefers, to keep them fresh. These trucks travel hundreds or thousands of miles to distribution centers. From there, onions reach grocery stores, restaurants, and food processors. Some even cross oceans in shipping containers. The logistics are massive, but the goal is simple: deliver fresh onions, fast. Every onion in your cart has traveled far, handled with care at every step. The modern food supply chain is a marvel of efficiency. Next time you see onions at the store, remember their epic journey. It's a story of teamwork, technology, and trust. Onion farming is more than food. It's an economic powerhouse. It supports tens of thousands of jobs, from field workers to truck drivers to scientists. States like Idaho, Oregon, Washington, California, and Georgia rely on onions as a key crop. The U.S. onion industry is worth over $1 billion a year. That money supports families, schools, and local businesses. A good harvest lifts entire communities. Domestic onion farming means food security, fresh onions year-round, less reliance on imports. Every kitchen, from fast food to fine dining, depends on this steady supply. Fields of onions are more than crops. They're pillars of rural economies. The impact stretches from farm to table, touching millions of lives. The onion story is about community, resilience, and the American spirit. It's a simple ingredient with a complex legacy. Every layer tells a story of hard work and hope. We've followed the onion from seed to table, a journey powered by dedication and innovation. Each onion represents a farmer's risk, a worker's labor, and a network of logistics. It's easy to overlook the effort behind those golden bulbs in the store, but every onion is a testament to American agriculture's skill and perseverance. The onion is a staple, versatile, essential, and deeply connected to our daily lives. It links us to the land and the people who feed us. The journey from farm to table is a story of teamwork and tenacity, so next time you slice an onion, remember its story. Think of the field, the hands that harvested it, and the miles it traveled. It's more than an ingredient, it's a piece of a much larger story. a story of hard work, innovation, and the drive to feed a nation. The onion's journey happens every day, for every meal. Even the simplest foods have extraordinary stories to tell.